Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Virtual Gardening. Today's episode is episode number 7. I'm your host Elias, and our topic for today is going to be flowering. As you can see, the whole garden is in flower, in bloom. So what I'm going to put together for you guys is a slideshow. That way I can give you guys proper and correct identification. That way you guys can see each variety of plant and what type of plant it is. For those that have been messaging and asking, well, what do you have going on? This will kind of give you guys a better idea of what varieties of plants we have and what type of flower goes with that plant. That way you could see the flowering stage before it actually produces vegetables or goes into seed production. All right, let's get started. And that's about it for this one, guys. Join us next time on our video about harvesting. And remember to like, share, keep smashing that like button, guys. And for those of you that haven't yet, please subscribe to our videos. To everyone out there, I hope you guys are all safe, having fun, enjoying the summer, getting ready back for school. But until next time, thanks for watching our videos, and happy gardening, everyone.